Sometimes you just have to quit. So let's dive into Godot. So I'm gonna make this a user interface scene, and I'm gonna hit the plus button and add a button. I'm gonna hit the anchor preset and I'm gonna center it. And I'm gonna go to the inspector, and in the text property, I'm gonna say quit. And I'm gonna search for font, and on theme overrides, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna increase the font size to 100. Then I want this button to do something. I'm gonna select the control node and I'm gonna hit attach a new script, and I'm gonna call the script quit for fun. I'm gonna select the button and I'm gonna go to the node tab, and then we have signals, and I want to connect the pressed signal, and this gets called every time we press the button. So I'm gonna double click on it and connect it to the control node with the script attached to it. Hit connect, and in here we replace pass with get underscore tree dot quit. That's all you have to do. I'm gonna save the scene as quit, and if I run this now and if I press the button,